Hey guys, welcome back to Kala Poshana. In today's video, I'm going to show how to paint on this mat. I'm going to share easy tips and tricks how to paint on these mats and create a beautiful backdrop for your festive decoration. I'm drawing the lotus design on a piece of paper. Using a knife or scissors, cut it out. This is how I'm gonna trace. First, I'm gonna trace this side and then just flip it around and do the tracing on the other side. Here are the Pichwai cutouts that I used to trace on the mats. Here, I hand drew some Pichwai-style designs. If you're a beginner, you can always print the design you like and cut it out and use that to trace. These mats are made with straws, so they have small holes in between. Before you start painting on these mats, cover the floor with plastic bags using painter's tape. Later, tape the mat to the plastic bags. Using painter's tape, attach the mat to the plastic sheets. Make sure you don't have any folds when you are attaching the mat. I am only painting the design 3/4 of the mat. First, I am creating the outline of the lotus on top of this mat. Very easy, just fill in the colors. For the lotus, I used light pink. For the borders, I'm gonna use dark pink. I'm blending the dark color with light pink. Move your brush from bottom to top, like this. Draw the straight lines on these mats. These mats have these lines, so you can just pick 2 lines and draw the line. You'll get straight, perfect lines. Here, I picked up these 2 lines and I'm gonna draw straight line using green paint. You have to do back and forth stroke on these mats because they have straws and they have gaps. To finish the design, I am adding some highlights. Options to hang these mats. Either you can use painter's tape to connect these mats to the walls, or if you have dry walls, you can use pins. Only con using pins is it will leave holes to the walls. I would recommend using painter's tape and glue gun to attach these mats to the walls.